Welcome to Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is objectives of fiscal policy. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business environment and also discuss various topics related to it like concept of business environment, concept of national income, 5-year plans and so on. So in today's video, we'll discuss about the objectives of fiscal policy. You can also watch other videos. Links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is objectives of fiscal policy. In India, fiscal policy has been gaining importance in recent years with the growing involvement of the government in the development activities of the country. There are several objectives of the fiscal policy which are discussed in the upcoming slides, which are adopted by the Government of India. So fiscal policy is very important for the development of the country as well as the government on the basis of economic activities. So what are the objectives? First one is to mobilize adequate resources for financing various programs and projects adopted for economic development. So under fiscal policy, government provide fund for different types of projects and programs for the economic development also. The second objective is to raise the rate of savings and investment for increasing the rate of capital formation. So the development for the growth, for the infrastructural development, under fiscal policy, government provide different funds and investments also. The next objective is to promote necessary development in the private sector through fiscal incentives. So government also provide different types of fiscal incentives to the private sector for their development and funds also in the form of loans, debt and other facilities also. The next objective is to arrange an optimum utilization of resources. So government provide the optimum and required utilization of resources so that they can use in a proper way and there is no wastage of resources done by different sectors. The next objective is to control the inflationary pressure in the economy in order to attain economic stability. So inflationary pressure in the economy in order to attain the economic stability is very important for the development of the country. The next objective is to remove poverty and unemployment. So economic development, fiscal policy is also helpful for development of the country to remove the poverty in the lower level of population and the unemployment status of the population also. There are some other objectives also of fiscal policy which includes to attain growth of the public sector for attaining the objectives of a socialistic pattern of society. So with the help of fiscal policy, public sector is also developed with the attainment of the different socialistic pattern of society and gaining these objectives also. The next objective is to reduce regional disparities. Fiscal policy is also helpful to reduce the disparity because it provides the employment and remove the poverty also. And the last objective is to reduce the degree of inequality in the distribution of income and wealth. As with the help of fiscal policy, employment status is developed, is increased, and there is decrement in the poverty status of the population. So it reduces the inequality status and provide stability in the equality level of the population in the form of income and wealth. So these are the different objectives of fiscal policy. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So fiscal policy has different objectives which is provided adopted by the Government of India. For example, provide resources for financing various programs and projects, raise the rate of savings and investment, promote necessary development in private sector, arrange optimum utilization of resources, control inflationary pressure in economy, remove poverty and unemployment, attain growth in public sector, reduce regional disparities and reduce the degree of inequality in distribution of income and wealth. So these are the several objectives of fiscal policy. If you have any query about this topic or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.